Yes, Massive Crew back once again with another video, and as promised, here is the follow-up to the Clashmouth video. I had to get these out of the way before the next Clashmouth comes out, which is this Saturday. So you guys go there, check it out, man. Show them some love, man. Wicked. If you want to go there, get some tunes, merchandise, all kinds of stuff. I don't actually have a brain stall down there at the moment, but yeah, we're thinking about sorting that out. Big up, man. Yeah. Before you got stuck. Check out all the vinyl down here. Wicked. Loads and labels. Subtle Audio, seen that label before. Look at that scientific wax.
Subtle Audio, this is my friend Connor Code who runs Subtle Audio.
Nice one, man. Nice one. Yes, big up, man. Yes,
and he knows who you are.
Big up, man. Big up. Good tunes, man. Keep it coming. Loving it, loving it. A nice stall you got here, man. Some nice bits.
Well, this is Christian perspective. This is me and this is
I see you got the Gildan soft style there. Wicked.
That's Chris's.
Oh, okay, okay.
Perspective to there. I didn't do it on my ones either.
Don't put anything on that side then. You get some. And oh look, Dawson Chili's. Look who it is.
How you doing?
Yes, yes, all good, man, all good. I want to come and check. Oh, wicked, mate. Is that for me, yeah? Oh, sorted, man. Nice one. What's this one? New release or what?
That's the Dexterous remix.
Oh, Dexterous remix. Yeah. Oh, nice, man. Nice. Hey, tell me what you've been up to. What's forthcoming on the label?
Well, this one is just finishing up at the moment. This is release number 1, and it's remixes of Time to Move by Dexterous by myself and Rapid by Dward. You know Dward. Yeah, he's around somewhere. Release number 2 is in the works at the moment. Something special, old school. You'll like it.
Yeah. What's happening? Is Tim Reaper on the label as well? Is he? Because he was with you at your click last time, wasn't he? Or
he's working on something, but I can't say more than that. You know how it is. I got to keep a lid on it. But yeah, things are good.
I see you doing the cassettes as well. Are they like new music on cassettes?
This is like kind of like an old great set.
Yeah.
So he's playing now.
Oh, so that's like recent stuff on a tape.
Yeah, a bit of both really. And
yeah.
Old school,
Hey, no problem, man.
I appreciate
anytime,
it
man.
so much. Yeah, I did learn.
Anytime, man.
I want to get back. I'll share your evening thing.
Yeah.
I'll share it.
Please, yeah.
We'll listen to it.
But I like Reno's because of the creativity on it. The things you can do. You can manipulate samples like real easy.
What is it? Is it expensive?
No, it's like £50. Sick, man. Yeah.
It's fucking beautiful. Have you heard it? Huh? Listen to it.
Its artwork is incredible on that thing there, man. What's going on? I recognise that place, man.
Do you not remember people when I went to Jumpstart and I said, put your tunes at Jumpstart?
No, take care, man. Yeah. I recognise your face.
Jumpstart distribution,
That was ages ago, wasn't it?
Remember, like 20 years.
Yeah, that's going back some. And you know what? Everyone still looks the same, but it's like your memory gets a little bit weaker. You look at man and say, I know him. I know him.
I'm not fucking 5 stone heavy. I'm crazy.
Daryl from Jumpstart. Back in the day, man. I've got to get him in there, man.
Distribution, we should do his tunes. Oh, when did you do that?
Are you
made it? Yeah, well, no. Like 20. I don't know, from time, man.
record to be put out with Jumpstart? Because I remember like little stuff. When I said Jumpstart.
They were like early days. Yeah, must have. I was in my 20s. Yeah, must have been.
We're going to start in like 5-10 minutes, yeah? Well, we've got to start in 10-15.
Oh, 10-15.
Yeah. Nice to see you. Always a pleasure, mate.
You got used to that busy? Yes, mate. How you doing?
Nice and Warlock.
Huh? Warlock. Yes, that's it, Warlock. You know what? I recognise your face. Yeah.
Cool.
Warlock, what are you up to, man? Tell the people then.
Oh, you want me to tell you? Yeah, well, blimey, big question. Yeah, still doing DJing, still making tunes, got a couple of releases coming out, sort of breakbeat stuff, 130, future kind of forward-thinking breakbeat stuff. Yeah, those stuff. Playing a really big party location, central London tonight. Don't really know where yet. Jerome Hill, Louise +1. Jeff Amadeus, big free room, free rig party.
Nice, man.
Yeah, look out for it.
Yes, keep up the good work.
How are
man.
you?
We go back long years, man, years.
I know, you used to give me all your promos.
When's the last time I see you?
Well, I saw you, we were playing at Bussy Building a couple of years ago. My mates did this party on Halloween, and it was like 3 floors. I think you were playing there after me.
What, the Truman Brewery or something like that?
No, the one down in Peckham, the Bussy Building.
Okay.
The CLF Art Cafe.
Yeah.
But other than that, I haven't really seen you since like early 90s. I used to see you down the Underground.
Way back when, yeah.
Yeah. I used to come round to your place in Leighton and you'd like give me all the promos so I could play on the radio.
Yeah.
And do the reviews.
Have you seen Cool and Flex?
No, I'd really like to see him. Yeah.
I haven't seen Peter for years, man.
He's such a nice guy, actually.
I only hit up online and all that now, but it's all changed now with social media and, you know, it's not the same. Like years ago, to see someone, you used to have to go to a certain place and you used to bump into all the heads.
Yeah.
Whereas now it's all online.
That's what's really nice about today is it's like everyone comes together and just like seeing people I haven't seen for a while. I mean, like people I see but haven't seen for a few months, but like, and then bump into someone like you haven't seen for years. So, but yeah, that whole record shop thing is like, you know, obviously it was a bit of a chore going to a record shop and then you got to wait for the person behind the counter to put out the right tunes. You're like, nah, yeah, I love that one. Oh no, someone else has got it.
Yeah.
But then the joy of just like kind of, I don't know, just meeting people in record shops. I really miss that, you know. Like, the Underground in Forest Gate, where I kind of met you quite a lot.
That's the epicenter.
I met everyone through that place, like everyone, like LSD, Goldie, Pesce, Rand obviously were there.
Did you go Record Village as well?
A little bit, yeah.
That was a bit quiet over there though. It's just like, for me it was just pop in, get your stuff and come back out again. But I knew the guy Jamie from Record Village. And he created a brain logo for me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I remember back in the day.
Legendary logos, like, yeah.
And he's still doing it now. Like,
Is he?
Yeah, I saw him about 2 years ago. And he created loads of other well-known labels.
I often go past it. I was there the other night and I'm like, oh, that's where Record Village used to be, that bit down the corner there. Like, yeah, and I went past the Underground recently and it's like a tyre shop or something. Like,
man, it's mad. It's mad.
Yeah.
That's my area there still. Are you still in that same area?
I'm down sort of just south of the river now.
Okay.
So, but no, it's good times. I used to live in Forest Gate. I used to live on the same road as the Underground. It was like, I was there for about 3 years. I lived in a few places on there, but that was like a really good era. Like, Mike at the Underground used to run the shop. I'd walk past every day and he'd go like, Warlock, I've got some promos for you. Like, anyone who come in with a box of white labels, he'd like put one aside for me, like get one to Warlock, because we'll play it on the radio, or put it in the magazine. It's like,
what station was you on back then?
Pulse FM.
Oh, you used Pulse FM as well.
I was on there for about 3 years, and then the DTI got me, and I had to kind of like take a back seat.
Well, you get in trouble for it or what?
Well, just the usual thing. They took me to court, gave me a fine, said don't go on radio at all. I mean, I went back on radio, but I kind of left it for a little bit. So you're doing a talk in a minute, right?
Flipping, yeah. I'm not looking forward to it, but yeah, I am doing it, yeah.
I think you're supposed to be in there now at 5:30.
Yeah, I'm going over there to do it. I've never done anything like it before, so...
Be fine.
Yeah.
I don't want to hear what you got to say, mate.
Yeah.
You've got loads of history. We're going to kick off now. There you go.
Yeah, all right, let's go. Hey, what's going on, Kishan? Big up, mate. What's up?
Fucking remember my name.
Of course, mate. Hey, what you hear, man?
Good to see you, man.
Yes.
Yeah, you're right,
Yeah, all good,
You want to
man.
be gadgets, and you
Well,
love them.
I'm trying to capture the moment.
Yeah, don't blame you, man.
The only way to keep I need a bit more wide angle
You know
for
what
that.
I mean? I fancy you. You don't look
Oh
that
my
big.
God! Look! Flipping now, what's going on, bro?
Big up Busy B. What have I been up to? I haven't been DJing much, other than radio. Just been doing Radio Origin FM every other week.
When's your show?
Playing the old school.
When's your show?
Sundays 4 till 6.
Sunday 4 till
Tomorrow.
6. All right, we'll check that out, man. We'll check that out. Yeah, it's good to see you again, mate.
Yeah, I'll catch you soon.
Yeah, man, we'll catch up, man. Good to see you again.
You need to get the hot sauce with it.
Hey, what's going on, Stretch? What's happening? Are you fucking recording you? How you doing? Yeah, man, I'm always capturing the moment. It's got to be done, innit? Because, like, you know what? If you try to press record and then stop, you miss the moment. Yeah. So I'm just running, you know, like 64 gigabyte and I'm gone. All night, no problem. Yeah, good man. What have you been up to?
You know, music, innit?
Yeah.
Music.
What's coming? What's new?
Alpha Omega.
Yeah.
In fact, I think I've got 3 left. Let me give you an Alpha Omega.
Wicked.
The Dub 1 remix of Them There and a new thing by Specialist X.
All vinyl as well?
That's all I do.
So what you do now? What, no digital at all?
I do digital, but I'm not bothered about it.
Yeah.
It's fine.
That's where it all
I'm old
started.
school, man.
Yeah.
Like you.
Yeah, that's
Product guy. Good to see you.
Yes, mate. Wicked. Yes.
So I just had to.
I know when I see you.
I know. Man's soon dead, you know. We're getting old. It's like that now, though, man. You've got to just stay well. I'm trying to go down the vegan route now.
I tried it last time.
Yeah.
And I ended up going vegetarian. They got too much.
I'm not vegan. When I say vegan, it's like a little bit of fish.
Yeah. Pescatarian.
Yeah. The vegan thing is a bit too deep.
I know. So I feel like I should throw rose petals down.
I'm recording everything.
Are you recording everything? Right, cool.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed the Clashmouth footage. I've got a bit more footage on hard drive. Smash the like button if you want to see more of that. Yeah guys, please subscribe, turn on notifications. Take care, God bless, peace.
I'm a everyday junglist.